Okay, now how I'm going to print this address label directly from the command file. So let me show you the result. This is the result we are getting. Okay, we are going to get, okay, by inputting this text file to AutoTrack Label Designer. Okay, now okay, home, label design, label manage, select the label template, click automation. So the file format, leave it as text. Okay, so this is where you're going to put in the command file. Okay, start monitoring. The interval we put it 5 seconds. Delimiter, comma. Okay, starting row put 1 because it comes with header, and then we click the save button. Okay, so that's it, finish. Let's go to the monitoring path. Okay, this is our monitoring path. So now copy the text file into the command text file into the monitoring path. Okay, you see when the command file gone, it's been the thing is printed. Let's see. So this will be the sorry, I opened the wrong one. It's supposed to be this is the latest date. Okay, this is the printout.